Making tonight.
Call your brother. Look at. Who has a yellow plate? Who's looking through his yellow plate?
Yeah.
Who's looking through his blue plate? Who is that?
Give my dad.
What? Can
Give
you
my
see?
dad.
Can you see me? Grandma Chris. Can you see me? Yeah. Can you see Grandpa Chuck?
Yeah.
Where is he? Oh, he went outside the room. What's he? Grandpa Chuck. Put your plane up, see if you can see him. Here he comes. He's coming. Here he comes. Grandpa Chuck. Yep. Can you see?
Mom.
Oh. Yeah,
Mom.
Can you see Grandpa Chuck, William?
No.
Come up here, Chuck. Come up here. Here he comes, Liam. Can you see him?
Oh.
There's Grandpa Chuck. You guys are goofy.